Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable developer options on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, developer options offer settings that can help optimize the device performance, such as adjusting animation skills, limiting background processes, or monitoring system performance metrics. And also, enabling developer options allows users to fine-tune performance settings for improved efficiency. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, to begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, and here please scroll down the page and select the About Phone option. So within this menu, tap on Software Information and locate the Build Number menu and tap on it repeatedly 7 times to enable the developer options. Well, upon successfully activating the developer options, you can access it by going back to the main settings menu and scrolling to the very bottom of the page and open it. Okay, the developer options provide advanced settings and features for users to customize and optimize their device according to their preferences. It is important to exercise caution when making changes in the developer options to avoid unintended consequences on the device performance and functionality. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable developer options on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.